right, guys, so I don't do this enough, and I'm gonna start doing a lot more. I'm gonna start getting my customers' opinions on my service. That way you can actually see what my customers are thinking about me. So I'm gonna ask Valerie here, just did her carpets. I'm gonna turn this around while I'm just ask you. So what do you think about my service?
It was great. Our carpet was really dirty, and Tommy came in and spotted the areas and took care of those areas and did a beautiful job. We've had our carpet cleaned before, but I would say Tommy has done the best job ever. And I think the reason being, he knows his products and he enjoys what he's doing.
Thank you. I do. All right. Well, you heard it. All right. See you in the next one.